Hey guys, another feeding video of Frank, but I'm only doing this because I haven't gotten a Frank video for my new channel, so same shark, I'm feeding him. So yeah, I'm starting feeding him more, like instead of 2-3 times a week, whatever, like 4 times a week, because Taylor came in and said, well, his new channel is My Aquatic Diary, said this is the time they would have their growth spurt. So hopefully he'll start growing like at least 2 inches a month. So yeah, starting the feeding. Whoa. Sorry for my bad filming. So it's pretty big. From that line there to there is 2 feet. So, and same with those line to there. So all that's 2 feet. So 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet. And then tank is 2 feet wide. So that sucks. Come here. No, no, no. Yeah, he got it. Oh my god. That's gross. So I have one more piece there. Sorry. So yeah, he's kind of big now. But the hybrid is much older than him and still much smaller. Hybrid's about a year and a half. So that's my hand. So yeah, I think that's about it. I just spilled fish juices all over the couch, so that's pretty stink. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing weekly videos of the silver arowana. Right now he's actually grown, surprisingly, and look, his little belly. Like, maybe not in length, but like he's kind of fat. Little silver. And he comes to the front whenever I come into the room. He's pretty cool now. And it's only been 3 days. It's kind of amazing. So yeah, I'll just film Frank for a little while and then I'll stop the video. Okay, I think that's a good wrap-up time. So it's been 5 minutes. That's good. So yeah, I'll see you, I guess, next Wednesday. I'll probably be making the next arowana video. And today we started concreting the pond. So yeah, hopefully it'll be done in like a month or so. Ready to put fish in it and stuff like that. So yeah.